So Badminton School is a small community of girls from 3 to 18 years old, day girls and boarders, living and working together, and it's been going for some 160 years. We really look at the sixth form as the pinnacle of the girls' career here at Badminton, so it's a really important time in the school for them. So when we were looking at the space the girls have in their sixth form centre, we thought it needed to be updated so that it really reflected the way that girls are working now. So we got together a group of girls and asked their opinions on it, and then we reached out to Envoplan, and they actually collaborated with the girls to hear what they needed from their space.
We'd heard from the sixth form staff that they were going to redesign the common room and they would like to have our student opinion on them as year 12s, because currently we lived in the boarding house and we'd seen the common room as it was then, and they wanted to get an insight into what we would like it to be.
We saw the blueprints and the everything and the design and all, and they asked if we all agreed, and we said yes, but we didn't think it'd turn out like as nice as it is now.
So I like the fact they're really listening to what we want, what we need and what we like.
It definitely feels like this is something I've created. It's a nice feeling of being completely involved and immersed in your own ideas and your own work.
I think the space has made a massive difference to the girls. They are using the space so much more. It's so versatile, it's flexible. We have girls here from every corner of the world, and there is something in this common room that appeals to every single one of them.
So I use the space for relaxing. I also come in here to study and bring my books, and then of course a couple of Netflix sessions.
A lot of the time it's to meet up with friends, or if we have a project to do or something like that, and it's usually in the booth because that's where everybody wants to be.
Like, teachers always tell us to separate where we live and where we work, so I find it quite difficult to work in my room because my bed's next to me, so I just go to bed, but when I'm down here I do just sit down and work.
There's a lot of areas where the seating's in a round position, which means we can gather around a table and work in teams, and it's just an easy space to do that. It makes it a lot easier to organise things together.
The environment in which students work is really, really important. If the environment is claustrophobic or chaotic, it means that they can't relax and use all of their brain to think about the project in hand because they're distracted. If they don't have the flexibility within the workspace to use a computer, to work in a group, to work alone when they need to, then it narrows down their options.
I feel like I'm more creative here just because everything is so aesthetic, so I feel like I need to be the same way. So my work is prettier, the way I think is more ordered.
It gets that kind of homey feel because it's more aimed towards our age compared to the old common room. So we do come here and it looks really nice and comfortable, and all the chairs are really nice and soft, and there are just so many areas to sit down, like all these squares over here, so it is a really comfortable feel.
Working with Envoplan's been a really positive experience for us here at Badminton. We found them quick to respond to our initial reach out, and from then we've felt that they've listened to all of our comments and our feedback. They've adapted in line with what we've asked of them, and so we've found the whole process to flow through quite smoothly.
Envoplan came in on the day that we set up. They stripped out everything that was necessary and worked to the plan under the control of our estates team. We visited Envoplan in London and they took us on a tour of various places so we could look at the types of furniture and fixtures and finishes we would achieve. So all in all, the process was very well managed. We felt involved at every step.
We've got a great space which the girls are really enjoying using, and it's made a positive impact on their school experience.
In one word, I describe the common room as modern.
Inviting.
Community.
Comfortable.
Colourful. Amazing.